Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Qari Muhammad Hamza and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and in good health. So let's begin today's video. In today's video, we will be studying lesson number 1, Mufradat, and Mufradat means individual letters. This is a basic lesson, and if you learn it well, it will make the upcoming lessons easier for you. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So first letter is Alif. 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 Let me explain you. This letter is Alif. Alif has a straight and upright shape. This letter is generally like a straight line with no particular complexity. The shape of Alif resembles a straight line that goes from top to bottom. There is no dot in Alif. It is the simplest letter. You can think of it as a simple vertical line. I hope you understand. Next letter is Ba. Ba. B double A. Ba. Ba. Ta. 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 T double A. Ta. Sa. Sa. This is Ba and its shape resembles a boat. Let me explain you. This is Ba and look alike boat. I hope you understand. Similarly, Ta and Sa also look alike, but the only difference among the three is that Ba has one dot below, Ta has two dots above, and Sa has three dots above. I hope you understand. Next letter is Jeem. 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 J double E M. Jeem. Similarly, Ha. 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 Kho. 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 This these three letters Jeem, Ha, Kho. At the difference is Jeem has one dot in its middle, Ha has no dot, and Kho has one dot in above. Da. 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 Next letter is the the raw 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 the the this letter is Wissens letter. Next video I am tell you the the sin sin sin. That's all for today. I hope you have studied and understood today's lesson properly. So we will end today's video here. If you like the video, please comment, and if you want to learn more, please like and subscribe to our channel Qari for Kids.